अरबाज भाई ये साइड में, मलाइका जी आइए। मलाइका जी एक आपका और अरबाज जी का साथ में बहुत प्राउड है। अरे पीछे आओ ना, पीछे प्लीज थोड़ा सा हां जी सर यहां पर सर मैम सर ये एक्सक्यूज मी सर मलाइका सर ये अरबाज जी मलाइका जी चल थैंक यू आइए वीडियो चलो चलो।
We welcome our chief guest, the very, very gorgeous Malaika Arora Khan and the very, very handsome Arbaaz Khan, the most loved ideal Bollywood couple. Can we have Manojji and Sanilji up here? I would like to invite on stage the eminent Bollywood writer-director, Shri Navkumar Raju. The Rajshri product started his debut with the romantic film Hum Tum Pe Marte Hain, followed by his semi-art film Chor, and now to be released film Hitless with our Real Criminals. We are very thankful to him for being with us throughout in the cause and helping us make this video. Can we have Mr. Girish Wankade from Cinemax? We are very, very thankful to Cinemax for allowing us to have this launch in their prestigious venue.
ये लाइट बंद कर दे यार। क्या अजीब अजीब लाइट मार रहा है? बंद कर उसको। डिस्को है क्या इधर? में कलरफुल लाइट मार